Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-LDM in the color black. Alright, grab our scissors, let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get two sets of instructions with the dimmer. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple. First step you're going to want to do is get rid of that dimming knob. Get rid of that. And then we're going to remove the plate. So it's nice and easy. Grab at the edges with your fingertips. And then just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy just like that. At the side here, your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through. Fasten to your pattress box. You got the dimming module on the front here. Secured in with a lock nut and washer there. So that there's no movement at the back. Flipping it on over. At the top here, you'll notice that it has the BS stamp on the top. Better known as British standards, so you can buy this product with peace of mind. Your 3 terminal hole screws on the back here, our nice Trendi logo there, and then a brief summary as to what this dimmer can do. Okay. The neat thing about these guys is, let's say you want to change your color just because you're simply bored of it, or you had somebody come in and redecorate and now it doesn't match anymore. Not a problem. You can buy these plates online, put over top of your existing one. You're good to go. That off, put the original back on. The knob on. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side, you have a whole bunch of social media platforms. Head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow. We would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And in the bottom right-hand corner here, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Oh. Almost forgot to show you the second set of instructions, okay, which is only comes specifically with our dimmers. So you have the dimensions, the wiring, how to properly dispose of it. On the back here is a brief summary of what, or more in-depth summary, pardon me, as to what the dimmer can do, the installation process, and how to properly operate it. Okay, and finally, take a look at the bag that it comes in. On the back here is our SKU code, the ART-LDM for dimmer and BK for black. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi page, and you can see our full range of products there. And then finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. Alright, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below is what you'd like us to do next. Alright, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.